Welcome to Wealthfinity, your go-to channel for all things related to building and managing wealth. In this video, we'll be discussing the latest strategies and tips for achieving financial freedom and reaching your financial goals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, you'll find valuable information here to help you on your journey. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on creating the life of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders, usually on a quarterly or annual basis. These payments are a way for companies to distribute a portion of their profits to investors. Understanding the frequency of dividend payments can help investors make more informed decisions when it comes to choosing stocks. There are two main types of dividend payment frequencies: regular dividends and special dividends. Regular dividends are payments that are made on a regular basis, such as quarterly or annually. Special dividends are payments that are made outside of the regular schedule and are usually one-time events. Quarterly dividends are the most common type of regular dividend payment. Dividends are a way for companies to distribute profits to their shareholders. They are typically paid out on a quarterly basis, but some companies may pay dividends on a semi-annual or annual basis. The frequency at which a company pays dividends can vary depending on the company's policies and financial performance. Additionally, companies that are in cyclical industries, such as those that are heavily dependent on seasonal demand, may choose to pay dividends on an annual basis to align with the timing of their earnings. Many companies pay dividends on a quarterly basis, which allows investors to receive payments more frequently and potentially reinvest them more quickly. Which means that they pay dividends every 3 months. This can be a good option for investors who are looking to generate a steady stream of income from their investments. Annual dividends are also a common type of regular dividend payment. These payments are made once a year, typically at the end of the fiscal year. This allows shareholders to receive regular income from their investment, and it also gives the company the flexibility to adjust the amount of the dividend as needed based on its financial performance. When a company declares a dividend, it sets a record date and a payment date. The record date is the date on which the company determines which shareholders are eligible to receive the dividend. The payment date is the date on which the dividend is actually paid out to shareholders. Annual dividends are a good option for investors who are looking for a lump sum payment, rather than a steady stream of income. Special dividends are not as common as regular dividends, but they can be a nice surprise for investors. These payments are usually made outside of the regular schedule, and they are often the result of a company's strong financial performance or the sale of a major asset. The frequency of dividend payments can also vary depending on the industry. For example, utility companies and real estate investment trusts, REITs, often pay dividends on a monthly or quarterly basis, while technology companies and growth-oriented companies may pay dividends less frequently or not at all. Special dividends can be a good way to generate a one-time payout, but they should not be relied upon as a consistent source of income. When it comes to choosing stocks, investors should consider the frequency of dividend payments as well as the overall financial health of the company. It's important to note that just because a company pays dividends does not guarantee that it will continue to do so in the future. A company may choose to suspend or reduce its dividend payments if it is facing financial difficulties or if management believes that the money would be better used for reinvestment or debt repayment. It's worth noting that the dividend payment schedule is not always set in stone. A company may choose to change its dividend payment schedule or even suspend or eliminate its dividends altogether. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as a downturn in the company's financial performance or a shift in its business strategy. Companies that have a history of paying dividends, regardless of the frequency, are often considered to be more stable and financially sound. Additionally, investors should also consider the dividend's yield and payout ratio of the company, since it can give an idea of how much of the company's profits are being distributed to shareholders. In conclusion, understanding the frequency of dividend payments is an important aspect of investing in stocks. Regular dividends, such as quarterly or annual payments, can provide a steady stream of income, while special dividends can be a nice surprise. Investors should consider the frequency of dividends payments along with the overall financial health of the company when choosing stocks. Dividends are a way for companies to share their profits with shareholders. The frequency of dividends can vary, with many companies paying them on a quarterly basis, but some companies may pay dividends on a semi-annual or annual basis. It's important for investors to understand a company's dividend policies and to keep an eye on the company's financial performance, as this can affect the future of dividends payments. In conclusion, understanding and mastering dividend payment frequency is an important aspect of managing your investments and creating a steady stream of income. By considering factors such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and cash flow needs, you can make informed decisions about which companies and funds to invest in, and how to structure your portfolio for maximum returns. Remember to regularly review your investments and adjust as necessary to ensure that your portfolio aligns with your financial goals. Thanks for watching our video on mastering dividend payment frequency, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on building and managing wealth. Have a great day.